Hello guys, welcome back to your channel TNN. Today we will be discussing about breathtaking sceneries in the world. Before that, if you like the content flow of our videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel. A small support from you all will means a lot to us. So let's get started. Cappadocia, Turkey. Cappadocia offers a fantasy-like landscape that appears to have been plucked from a fairy tale, as well as alien-like hills and boulders that appear to have been transported from another planet. The humans who lived once here used the soft stone in the area to build underground shelters, leaving a trail of strange architectural wonders in their wake. The lunar landscape is beautiful on its own, but the countless hot air balloons that fill the sky with red, yellow, orange, and cream simply enhance its beauty. Among the best things to see in Cappadocia are the John Open Air Museum and its rock cut churches, as well as the subterranean wonders of Kamakli. Grand Canyon, Whitsundays, Australia. It's easy to see why Whitehaven Beach is one of the world's most photographed beaches. The magnificent 7-kilometer stretch of white sand that feels like your own private slice of heaven exudes peace and serenity, allowing you to experience relaxation at its finest. The beach can be reached by boat from Hamilton Island as well as the ports of Shute Harbour and Airlie Beach. Make your way to Tongue Point for the best view of Whitehaven Beach. Time your trip with a low tide and you will get to see a mesmerizing fusion of colors that always promises the grandest of views. Oia Santorini, Greece. Located on the top of a cliff with a breathtaking view of the Plea volcano, Nia Kameni, and the island of Thracia, Oia is the most popular and possibly the most attractive of all the lovely villages of the Greek island of Santorini. Oia, located about 11 kilometers north of Fira, will enchant you with its classic stone cottage lining the small alleys, stunning blue domed churches, and sun-baked verandahs. While the hamlet has its fair share of taverns, souvenir stores, and cafes, Oia is more tranquil and laid back than lively Fira, and most visitors enjoy its charming beauty by quietly strolling along its tiny streets. Descend 300 stairs to stroll through the village's little harbour of Amaudi. The fairy pools, Isle of Skye, Scotland. When you see the fairy pool, an ethereal oasis that enchants visitors with its crystal clear water, picture perfect surroundings, and wonderful ambience, you could start believing in fairies. The waters are icy, but if you are looking for wild swimming escapes, it doesn't get much better than this. If you are not feeling brave, a simple walk around the region exploring turquoise blue pools, each more enticing than last, can put you in a good mood. The property also has its own infinity pool, which is surrounded by a lovely stone wall. Plitvice Lake, Croatia. Plitvice lakes are a magical world of living, moving water surrounded by ancient forests, 16 lakes linked by waterfalls, natural and man-made bridges, and 300 square kilometers of wild beauty full of bears, wolves, boars, and birds. They are located about halfway between the Croatian capital, Zagreb, and Zadar on the coast of the Adriatic Sea. The difference in between 1280 meters at the highest point and 280 meters at the lowest creates a seemingly limitless number of little and large falls that constantly fill the air with spray and fog. Wooden and natural pathways and hiking trails wend their way around and over the lake, while a boat on Lake Kozak connects the upper and lower lakes. Huacachina, Peru. Huacachina, a magnificent desert oasis that will captivate you with its raw beauty and mythical legends will captivate Fiji lovers and artists. Consider yourself sitting on a massive sand dune, taking in breathtaking sunset views as the scenery transforms into vibrant red and yellow hues all around you. Right in front of you is a gorgeous oasis that seems like a still from one of those Arabian Night movies, studded with palm trees and surrounded by rustic hotels that give the ultimate in luxury. Hoka, China may not be as well known as Machu Picchu or Nazca, but it provides a picturesque backdrop for those seeking mystery, adventure, or romance. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. One of the world's most magnificent wonders is its largest salt mine. Salar de Uyuni appears to be one of those Renaissance era fancy paintings, but it proudly stands as one of the South America's most breathtaking panoramas. The sheer grandeur of this huge desert leaves you dumbfounded, and the weird island that emerge in a sea of salt creates an extraordinary landscape that will be craved in your thoughts for the rest of your life. Milford Sound, New Zealand. The Sydney Opera House, the Waitemata Caves, the Great Barrier Reef, and the Sydney Harbour Bridge are just a few of the sights to keep you entertained while on a tour to Australia and New Zealand. However, once you see Milford Sound, everything else pales in comparison. This 1692-meter high alpine fjord is where all your Lord of the Rings imaginations come true, and your first look is likely to give you butterflies. It's no surprise that Milford Sound attracts over 5 lakh people each year. Milford Sound can be visited on foot, by helicopter, or by bus trip. Rainbow Mountains, Zhangyi Dangxia, China. If you adore everything the Grand Canyon signifies and live closer to Asia than North America, travel to China to view the Rainbow Mountains of Zhangyi Dangxia National Geological Park. The mountains, which are as spectacular as the Grand Canyon and one of the most beautiful sights in China, have vivid colors of maroon, magenta, yellows, and greens due to the trace of minerals within the sandstone. That's it for the day. Keep tuned in for upcoming interesting and informative videos. Thank you.